How y'all doing? My name is Justin. I'm the owner of Palette Sauce. I'm here to show you guys how to use our lemon pepper sauce on some wings. Step one, I have these drumettes here. You're going to take them out the pack here. Always want to rinse your wings off before you cook them. You never know what's kind of bacteria and stuff that's on them, so always rinse your any kind of meat off anyway. But alright, the second step, we're putting the wings inside this bowl here. So we're gonna get our sauce, our lemon pepper sauce here. Make sure you always shake it up before you use the sauce to make sure all the seasoning comes out at the same time when you're using it. And pour the sauce inside of the bowl. Yeah. Put the top on. And shake it up. All right. The next step will be we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours to let them marinate. You don't have to do that, but like I say, I like my wings to marinate like that for that long time. That way you can get in the wings real good. The sauce, so we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours, and we'll come back and start frying them after that.
Later.
All right, for step 3, I'm going to take our wings out of the refrigerator. They've been marinating for like maybe 3 hours now, 3 to 4 hours. So take them out, go into the air fryer. So we're going to set our air fryer timer to 350, and we're going to put our wings on in here. And we're going to set our timer to 25 minutes long. We're going to let these cook halfway, so maybe like the 12-13 minute mark, and then we're going to stop the fryer, cook, open the door, and flip them over so they can cook evenly. And they should be done after that.
20 minutes later.
Now that our wings are done, as you see here, you can also put this sauce on top of the wings after they come out the air fryer. So we're gonna go in for the try. See how it turns out. Man, that was good. I gotta get another bite.